The Interstate 405 Pavement Rehabilitation Project is underway through the Sepulveda Pass. This project includes overnight lane reductions as well as extended weekend lane reductions. This extended weekend work allows Caltrans to complete pavement projects quicker and more efficiently. This project is using a movable barrier system, and it's the first time Caltrans is using this technology on a project in District 7. This barrier system, sometimes referred to as a zipper machine, works by transferring continuous barrier segments from one side to the other. This allows crews to reconfigure travel lanes in real time and without major traffic disruptions. It also enhances safety by creating secure work areas during weekend paving operations. This project along Interstate 405 between Wilshire Boulevard and Victory Boulevard is scheduled to wrap up in late 2028 to early 2029. Once complete, this project will enhance safety and mobility along this corridor connecting the San Fernando Valley and West Los Angeles.